High-quality four-range wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The four-range wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the hub assembly and the wheels. High-quality four-range wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Four-range wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and check-through appearance. Installing four-range wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problem. They installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increase in the wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brakes and wheel options. These four-range wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension component. Their performance benefit for upgrading with four-range wheel spacers. By increasing the tread width, they add more stability. In general, a wider tread makes for smoother rides. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the four-range wheel spacer provides sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS active cooling four-range wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty any kind of 4x4 event. These four-range wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, BONOSS active cooling four-range wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute into the shape. These rules allow this thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect. In favor of safety, all BONOSS wheel spacers kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TV certification reports. In addition, BONOSS active cooling four-range wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind. Such BONOSS active cooling four-range wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.